Do you want to know how you can log in to your Kreado.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Kreado.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Kreado.ai account. Go to the Google search bar, search for Kreado AI login, and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you directly to the login portal of Kreado.ai, which you can see. You can change the language by clicking on this over here. So you can see on the right hand side the login portal. Write down your email address over here in this box and write down the password associated with your Kreado.ai account. After you write down your email address and password, click Start Creating and then you can log into your Kreado.ai account. In case you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click Sign Up for free, which is over here. If you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. So, if you want to sign in using Google, just go ahead and click Sign in with Google, choose your Gmail account, press Continue, and then you can sign in using your Gmail. I hope this video about how you can log into your Kreado.account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.